fold it like this, and then over to create the perfect little poppet. Pop it in. There's it. Marion! We can't use these cheap imitation cables every time. Remember what happened with the electric blanket, Marion? And it nearly burnt the house down. Look at this. I think we need to make a video about cables. Today, I want to show you some top tips on how to organize your cables and to be cable-wise, guys. In collaboration with Apex Technologies. Look at this. It's a messy mess of cables and things charging on top of this cabinet, which would otherwise look quite stunning, but it doesn't. Let's make a DIY cable box. You will need a box, some cardboard, craft knife. Cut a slit down the one side of your box and make a hole in the other side. I've made this stunning book artwork. Show us the one you made, Marion. Show the video. Oh, also very realistic. Colors is a bit more bland. Cut out your books and glue it onto your cardboard. Smooth it. Cut out the books with a craft knife. Stick it on, Marion. Always covered in something sticky. Okay, that's enough. Stick your books to the box. Place in all your plugs and chargers. Bookend with real books. There's it. Not a cable in sight. Everybody can relate to this. Cable disaster, and then you're looking for a USB, a USC, a CTM, a BSB cable, a USC type. You can't. We're sticking some colourful tape onto toilet rolls. Right on this purple one, HDMI. Oh, what do I see, Marion? I see organised cables. Pop your cables into the toilet rolls, label them and repeat. Quick, Marion, I need a USB cable. Thanks. Recycle your bread tags to make labels for your cables. Here's a cute way to keep your charging cables handy. Hello, Newman. Use clips on the side of your desk to keep your charging cables organized. No need to scramble for my charger. Charging. I learned this one from an electrician. Got a lot of cables to run? Use this clever technique with cable ties to keep them neat. Moral of the story, guys. Check your cables before you plug in. Make sure they have the Safe House logo and the Apex embossing. See, look, Marion, it's there. Read it. DIY because anybody can.